Okay, everybody. So, in the first part of consolidation of a macro, consolidation of different files through the macro, we completed the first part wherein we opened the file Dubai, went to A2 cell, down, right, we activated the macro file and we pasted this. So, I will quickly repeat it for you and then we will see the next step. So my data was something like this. The macro we completed till here was this, that it selects the consolidation sheet. A2, it opens the Dubai file, something like this. Then A1, down, right, it copies the data from Dubai file. This workbook.activate, it activates our main macro file in which we wish to paste. And again, I click on this. It pasted the data and it's done. Okay, after pasting the data, what should happen? It should happen in the previous program we did. It should go to the end, should wait over here in the last, right? So I think now you know. So we will just record the code how to go down, only that part, okay? So I will say record a macro and I will say down one, control down arrow key. So I press control down arrow key, it recorded. So I will go here, stop a macro. I will go to the module 2. This is the code which got created when I just recorded a macro. Okay, I went to module 1 and I want the paste over here. So after pasting a data, it will come over here. After coming over here, what should do? It should see which is the last row number. Okay. A row number. So I will say row number equal to active cell dot row. Don't type active cell dot rows. This is different. This is different. Active cell dot row will give you the last row in this range. Okay, active cell dot row. Then you will say range A and row number plus 1 dot select. This we have already done in our last project. So what it will do, this code will give you the row number and then row number plus 1 will select. It will come bring the cursor over here and will wait. Okay, we will see this if it's working properly, otherwise it will be a waste. So I will come here, I will close my Dubai sheet as well. I'm running a macro once again, function F8. Okay, to open the Dubai sheet file, sorry, A2 down, right, selection dot copy, activated macro file, went over here, pasted the data, went down, got the row number, and it went over here and class. So till here my macro is done. After that, what should happen? The Dubai.xls file which we had opened to copy the data should get closed, and then Sharjah file should open. So how do we activate that file, huh? So over here we will say windows we want to say that file should get activated, right? So windows, will this work? This is a code through which we are taking the file, right? So we want to close that. So I say windows sheets control this dot value dot activate. Let's see if this code works, otherwise we have to see some other solution. We have to take the file name, active file name, and then we have to activate the window and then we have to close. Let's see if this code works. Okay, so for doing this, again I have to delete the data, again I have to close the Dubai file, again I have to run the macro once again, step by step. So I say function F8. Okay, down, right, copy, it went to the last record, it came here. MashaAllah, very good. So with this code, I activated a Dubai file, and I will say after activating active workbook dot close. It will close my file. So I will go here and I say function F8. I'm going one step behind. Do you want to save? Actually, this dialog box also should not come. Do we have active workbook dot close equal to true? Equal to true. Equal to dot save equal to true. Workbook dot okay close. Save changes. He is asking me. Save changes equal to no. What will be the code for this? Save changes equal to true. Let me check this function f8. Very good. So I will just say no. This is not for saving and this is a clipboard information. What is clipboard information? Whenever you copy the data, it saves under the clipboard. So one of the benefit, no, sorry, one of the disadvantages, whenever you copy the data, macro keeps in his mind in clipboard. So whenever you try to copy other data, first you should clear the previous data. How do you do that? Application dot cut copy mode equal to false. I will tell you in the next video. So I say no over here. So now my file is closed. So till now, what I have learned, not I have learned, but what we have learned over here is I have also learned. So F8, 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 it opens the Dubai file, it copies the data, pastes the data, go to the last row, and then it activates it and close the file. I say no, and I say fine. So now my entire one loop is done, that it's opening, copying the data and closing the file. Now I have to put this entire thing under the loop. Correct friends, still here? I will wait over here for a few minutes and then you complete it and then we will move ahead. Okay, thank you so much.